Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my advent calendar, my yarn advent calendar, and I've been gone for a couple of days, so I have a few days to make up. I have 16 through to 19 to do today. I've been under the weather, the weather change and everything, and I've been having a lot of migraines, and my joints have been killing me. My left hip, which I need to get replaced eventually, has been bothering me a lot, so I took some days away, but I'm here today to get these done because it's driving me nuts. I gotta know what's in there, and I'm not gonna peek when I'm not on video. So let's get right into it. This video isn't super long, and they're right over here, so I'm gonna grab it. Grab day 16 right there, and let's see what this is. Ooh, so lovely. Look at those colors. Wow, that's really pretty. Those are really nice colors. That's a nice cake. So lovely. And it's got the center pull. And there's a little tag here. So I have my magnifier and I'm going to read that for you. And it's upside down. So it is 100% acrylic worsted and a chunky, double ply. And yes, so double ply, worsted, chunky. That is really awesome. And it's really soft too. It's nice. So I'll have to think of what I can make with that. I'm just going to chuck the bags on the floor. And number 17, we're just going to move along here. Let's dig in. Oh, this is lovely too. Oh my gosh, they're all lovely. What am I saying? Look at this. Oh, wow. Those are really awesome colors. There is like purple and yellow and white in there. Wow, that's really gorgeous. And this one is, well, it's a chunky weight too. It says unknown fibers. Wow, that's pretty. And it's really soft. You know, I only have a couple of hanks, so I'm getting my hank supply in, which is really nice. Okay, let's go to 18. 18. And it feels big. Ooh, there's extras in here. Sorry about the crinkling. Oh, look. Looky, looky. Wow. Look at all those colors. Those are just awesome. Again, there's like purples and yellows and greens. Oh my god, and that like light lilac kind of a purple color, and that's nice. It almost reminds me of oh, what's that yarn that's like this? Something homespun? No. Something like that. It reminds me of that. That is nice. Now let's dig in. Oh, there's something big I'm pulling out. Oh, look at this. Oh, is that ever nice? Look at the bow. It's a little bag of goodies. Oh, so lovely. Wow. We have Tim's French vanilla. Okay, I gotta open this up. And we gotta look inside. Okay, first thing, some more, oh my gosh, there's two. Oh, there's another flavor. Oh, it's hot chocolate. So we have two of them. We have a French vanilla right there and a hot chocolate. Wow, that's so awesome. That is wonderful. That is not everything. Then let's go. I got a candy cane. Ooh, look at that. Yum. I love candy canes. I love sucking on candy canes. I will all year round. At Christmas time, I get extras, and then I keep a little dish in my room, and then in the evening, I'll break them and just suck on little pieces of it. And right now, I don't know if you've seen my earlier videos that I did, and I was explaining that, I don't know if I did it in the live on Kelly's channel, Kelly Life of a Millwife, when we were doing crafting together, or if I actually did it in my video too. I'm not sure. But long story short, I'm going to put it on here so I don't keep shaking my candy cane at you. That's just kind of rude. So I'll hang it in the tree over here somewhere. Hopefully y'all can see that. Oh, right here. Right here. And oh, maybe not. Yeah, can y'all see that? Okay. So, July, it started, like, this year has been, terrible for everybody. In July, I fell in the shower and I broke 2 ribs in the back, and one rib punctured my lung. So my lung collapsed, was in the hospital. They inflated the lung, and then, I got let out. So when I came home, I had a migraine and I have an ice pack, and I went to go put it on my head and I dropped it and it hit me here. Well, then I got a fracture in my jaw. And at the same time, my saliva duct was blocked, and so it was swollen like this. So we had to go on penicillin, and with a fracture, it was like fractured all right like this. With a fracture, they don't wire your jaw shut or anything. I did have my jaw broken like 30 years ago over here, and I was wired shut. So I had to go on liquid diet for 6 weeks, which was torture. And then I broke a tooth back here, and it broke right in half, and I could, like, it actually would move, and I'd have to put it back, and I have to push it down and put it back in. And it took so many doctor's appointments, going to this dentist who referred me to this one and that one and that one, because I have osteogenesis imperfecta, which is a brittle bone disease, and I have been breaking really easy. And they were concerned about the fracture there, and this jawbone here where I was fractured before is super thin. I mean, where it was broken before is super thin. So they were worried they would re-break it again. So finally, I got referred to the hospital. They agreed to do it. And in the process, they said, well, we might break it. And so if we break it, we will temporarily wire it, send you home, put you on a waiting list for surgery. And then the surgery would require putting a metal plate in and some screws, and then being wired for a minimum of 6 weeks. Thankfully, oh, thank you, Lord, they didn't break it when I had that tooth removed. But in the process, when they took x-rays again, and they took the x-ray that went around my head, they found out I had a second fracture right here. Don't know when that happened. So because of all this and this thin jawline, I had to go on another 4 weeks of a soft food diet, which ends on the 21st of December. I tell you, I cannot wait. I am so tired of eating soft, mushy food, blended food. I'm just tired of it, because they were worried if I went and started on hard food that I would fracture it myself chewing. So I've only been chewing on this side, soft stuff. So I'm looking forward to Christmas dinner, having everything, and being able to chew stuff. So now I can suck on these candy canes. I can't chew. I'm not going to chew them, but I'm going to suck on them and be able to have other food. So long story, I know, but so I got to be careful. But I am so looking forward to being able to have things like that and other things. Because I tell you, it's been a long time. Oh my God, a process. But look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my goodness. I wonder if I can show it behind something. No, that doesn't work. Oh, that doesn't work. I hope oh yeah, right there you can see. Look at the sparkle. Oh, it's a snowflake. I love it. That's going to go on the tree too. I don't know if there's a string for it, but I'm going to put a string on it and put it in the tree. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. And then there's still more stuff in here. Okay, we have, look at this little lip balm, I believe it is. Let's see. It is, yes, lip balm, pure, 100% pure, natural, and I'm not sure, I can't read if there's a flavor to it. Oh, nice. Oh, that's lovely. That's going in my purse. Oh, I'm so happy for that. And then we got some stitch markers. Oop. Oops. Yeah, these kind of stitch markers. We got a yellow one, 3 yellow ones, and a white one. And then here's the little thing to put the ornament on. So I'm going to put that on and put that in my tree for sure. And I'll just put my stitch markers back in there. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Oh, that was great. That was day 18. Okay, so now let's go into 19 because like I said, I don't want to have you guys like make you watch me forever. So day 19. So let's dig in there. Ooh, I feel 2. I feel 2, friends. Wow, look at that. You know who I think of right away? But, oh, yeah. It's such a beautiful, right there. Look at that gorgeous yellow, orange, that gorgeous orange. I think of Judy from Witch Piece Craft with Judy. Oh, and it's soft. Oh, she loves, that's her favorite color, orange. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love it. Let's see what the friend is. Ooh, it's another one. We have twins. Twinsies. Lovely. And this one, it's 100 grams. So we have 200 grams of gorgeousness, which I really don't know what I'm going to make, but it should be fabuloso. So that's everything. These are all my beautiful babies, my new babies. I can't even hold them all. Isn't that, look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Look how much I got. That's, look, oh my gosh, isn't that crazy? And then the ornament, the lip balm, the stitch markers, and the French vanilla and the hot chocolate. Wow, this advent calendar has been amazing. So there's 16 to 19, and then I'll be having tomorrow, the 20th, and making my way to the 25th, which I can't wait because the bag is like big. Oh, and it looks jam-packed. I didn't even touch it because I don't want to like, you know, fondle it up and see what's in there. I want to be totally surprised. Oops. So I just banged the tree. Thank you for joining me. Have yourself a fabulous weekend. Wonderful night. Stay safe. Love you all. And I'm going to scooch up nice and close again. Merry Christmas to everybody.